I be acting happy while I know I'm not. They say I'm quite lucky, well I know a lot. I think I'm stressed up, I'm mad, not even a single girl who wanna take a shot. I've been living my life in depression. I think it's the right time for confession. This is self-expression, don't need your impression. A lot of exertion, it just brings oppression. Don't think I'm okay, I just hate my life. Loneliness bringing weight in my take my life. People think I'm okay, fake smile every day, acting like I'm okay. Maybe I need a knife, I need a wife for God afterlife. Depression winning now when it's verified. The life I'm living now doesn't take my side. It's toxic like it's carbon dioxide. And I have decided, single life provided, love hurts, and my heart is now divided. Life is undefined, had to testify, classify, rectify before I die. But then it's fine, there's no need to cry. Well then goodbye, and do not reply. I'm a good guy, and I did try. They say we never die, but we multiply. Put the times at the end, cause every time I pray, every time I'm asking to myself, will I ever find the one? Try to change my ways, searching every day, still the same. Will I ever find the one? Girls,